If you want to create a guest network on your Eero WiFi system so that your guests or other members can access your internet without getting access to your personal network files and compromising your privacy, then here's how you enable guest Wi-Fi on your Eero WiFi system in just a few taps. To create a guest network, we will open the Eero app, then simply tap on the settings from bottom right, and here is the guest network option. Just tap on guest network, then turn on the toggle to enable guest network. Here you can see the default Wi-Fi name and password. If you wish, you can customize them both. And after that, you can share the network via QR code, or you can also send it via message. Now that we have enabled guest network, if we go to our phone's Wi-Fi list, here you can see it's already available. So now you can share your Wi-Fi with outsiders without worrying about your privacy. If you found this useful, you can leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more.